Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making the Kerala's most famous kadla curry, which is made with the black chenna and aromatic spices and an addition of roasted coconut, which gives an amazing flavor. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. Before we start the cooking process, let's do some prep. For that, I'm going to add 3 tomatoes into a blender along with 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger, and I'm going to grind this into a fine paste without adding any water and keep this aside. And in a pan, I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Along with this, I'm going to add half a cup of grated coconut, and I'm going to roast this on a medium flame for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. That's when you achieve the nice golden brown colored coconut, which is roasted and very aromatic. Look at the color of the coconut. It is nicely crunchy and crispy too. Keep this aside, and in my instant pot I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And for the tempering, I'm going to use some whole garam masala, which is half a tablespoon of fennel, half a tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of caraway, and 3 bay leaves and a piece of cinnamon, along with few cloves and cardamom. Fry this for a minute or until it is aromatic. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 large onions chopped finely, and I'm going to fry this until the onions are slightly soft. The Kerala kadla curry is a very aromatic one because of the spices we add to it. If you see, the onions are slightly changed in color and they have become a bit soft. Now I'm going to add the tomato puree which we prepared earlier, and I'm going to add curry leaves, which is going to give an amazing flavor to the dish. Next, for the spices, I'm going to add a tablespoon of each garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder, along with salt to taste. Give this a nice mix so that the spices don't burn. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of black chickpeas, which is also known as black chenna or Kabuli chenna. You can either soak it the previous night or make sure it is soaked at least for 6 hours before cooking. Give it a nice mix so that the spices are mixed well with the black chickpeas. Today I am using my instant pot to make this kadla curry, but if you wish to use your stove top cooker, you can use it and follow the same recipe and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles accordingly. Next, I am going to be adding enough water to cook the chenna. Add exactly water until all the chenna is under water. Give it a nice mix. Next, I'm going to add some nutmeg, which is very flavorful and very strong, so add it accordingly. Just few scrapes in your grater will do. Give it a nice mix again, and we are going to close the lid and pressure cook this for exactly 15 minutes on a high pressure, and we are going to let the pressure release naturally. While this is cooking, let us prepare the coconut paste with the coconut we roasted earlier. Add the roasted coconut to a blender along with half a cup of water and blend this into a fine paste. This roasted coconut paste gives an amazing flavor. Once the pressure pin drops like this, open the instant pot. Look at the beautiful kadla curry. I just can't wait to have it. Now we can add our coconut paste which we prepared and give it a nice mix. I'm going to switch off the instant pot and I'm going to start it in the saute mode. I'm just going to bring the curry to a boil. Boil it for approximately 5 minutes. And that's it. Our easy and tasty Kerala Kadla curry is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some puttu or appam as it is served traditionally. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if you wish to receive further notifications on my future videos.